Wabarakatuhu. How are you all, my dear children? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. So, we were learning about GIMP. GIMP is an image editing software, right? So, in this image editing software, what did you learn? How to open an image in GIMP, how to load an image, how to crop an image, etc. Right? Today's class we will learn how to resize or scale an image. Okay, how to resize or scale an image. Okay, before entering into the topic, let us revise what were the windows available in GIMP. In the left side there was toolbox, in the middle there was canvas, in the right side there was layers panel. Okay, these toolbox and layers panel can be moved. But this can be also made stationary by using single window mode. Okay, by using single window mode, this can be kept at one place, the layers panel and the toolbox. Okay, now scaling an image means what? Scaling an image means resizing an image or making it big or small. Okay, making the image big or small. You use the scaling feature. So I am going to open GIMP and scale my image. Okay, so firstly there is a image in the computer. I will go to the computer and right click that image and I can select open with GNU image manipulation program. So we are going to scale an image. The GIMP is opening up. The image will be displayed in the screen here. The resolution can be seen here. The resolution 7360 by 3949 can be seen here. Current resolution of our image. So here I am printing image, selecting image, menu bar, image, scale image. Here I am selecting pixels. If you want it in centimeters, meters, etc., you can change it. I am selecting pixels. We can select other than pixels also. And the image size we can type in the desired width. Okay, let's say for 1920 for this photo. Okay, 1920. Next, height. The chain icon is locked by default. So the aspect ratio of the width and the height is also locked. Okay, there is a lock in the width and height ratio. Okay, we can change the interpolation to Sing. You get a higher quality. Okay, higher quality will be obtained, but cubic is usually good. Interpolation change to cubic, it's usually good enough. Now we can click scale. In the zoom icon that we have shown in the top right, we have zoom. We can zoom it. The resolution is 1920 by 1030. The changed resolution is shown. And now we can click file and overwrite the new picture over the old picture. Overwrite the replacing the original picture. And using export as, we can shift, control and E is used. We can convert the JPG to a JPG image. Okay, we can convert this GIMP image to a JPG image. So JPG images is saved. Export image as JPEG pop-up window is obtained and the quality is 94. just click export so that you can export the image as JPEG image. If you want a smaller or a larger file size, we can click it here. Okay, the file size can be changed. Okay, just click export. So I hope you understood today's GIMP class, scaling of an image. Scale tool can be seen in your textbook. You can see the scale toolbox. In the toolbox, we can select the image and click scale, or you can use this following steps for scaling the image. Okay, you can use pixels also or percentage also. Okay, for scaling the image we can use both the pixel and percentage. Okay, so I hope you understood this class. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.